Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 128. This was the 5th of January 2023. I started this day off with an 8 a.m. accountability call, and then I did my exercise, which consisted of 45 minutes of walking and a 5-minute jog. I took Becky to school, and then I had checklist items that I accomplished, and then I worked on the solar business. Then a big part of the day was the final RWA coaching call with the current partner that I have. It was coaching call number 9. So I had to practice before that, and then I had the actual call. And my partner had some issues, so he couldn't do his part, so we had to postpone that for the next day. But I did my portion. I completed my portion with him on day 128. And then I did book buying, bought some books, and then did repricing going into textbook season. Books are starting to pick up a little bit. So it's actually been a little bit disappointing of a textbook season. We're just going into it right now. I'm hoping that sales will get even better. It's not too terribly bad, but it's a little less than what I would normally expect. So I had a coaching call with books the other day, and the gentleman that I was coaching, he does FBA inventory, and I asked him how he was doing with that, and he says it's just terrible. They had a very bad Q4, and things are really, really bad. So there's a lot of bad things going on with the economy that people generally don't know. Lots of uncertainty, lots of bad things coming, and we've got to have a plan. Got to have a plan B. Got to be able to do something. So, that's why I'm working hard with the solar business, what I'm doing with the books, doing everything that I can, the RWA, coaching, whatever I can do, whatever value I can bring to the marketplace, that's what I intend to do. So that's it for day 128. I did get one subscriber. I had my first subscriber. So thank you for that first subscriber. I hope it's not the last. I'm sure it won't be. But so I had a person comment and I have a like, comment, and a subscribe. So now maybe the next goal is to get all three in one video. Somebody liking, commenting, and subscribing all on the same video. That would be great. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow.